In this tutorial, we're going to look at the source detect tools. So I've loaded an image here of NGC 2244. I can see lots of good point sources. I'm going to kind of maximize the display here, so I'm going to go ahead and just disable all of these fields. So now we just have the image display. And analysis DAX and detect tools. So tear off this menu. So the first one I'm going to do is one of the quick ones. It's called celldetect. So new in this release, you can now input the file name for an exposure map and a PSF map. So the exposure map file name. And then the PSF file map. PSF map. Sigma threshold, so we're going to check the sources at 3 sigma. And fixed cell of 0, which means it's going to use a variable cell size, which is what the PSF map is for. And starts, and we get, you can see all the source detections. Celldetect has though an issue where it detects the same source twice. That's one of its shortcomings. You can also see that there are definitely some faint sources that were missed, but we used a 3 sigma detection, so you get what you pay for. As per usual, the celldetect file itself is here, and if we wanted to look at this guy, we can see we have arrays index and positions and some preliminary photometry, but nothing definitive. Signal to noise ratios, etc.